I'm Bhagavati Narwati. This video was made for Ms. Boucher's 5th grade target class. The topic of this presentation is the effects of introduction of exotic species into the natural habitat of some other species. The characters are some kids' toys, paper origami, and some paper-cut caricatures. Frogs are amphibians that live on land and water. Frogs lay their eggs in water. Frogs prey on insects in the land and eat insects and fishes in the water. They are usually found in stagnant water such as a lake or a pond. Frogs are an important part of the ecosystem and play a vital role in the food chain. They are vital bioindicators. They can be used to tell if the ecosystem is healthy or not. An exotic species is some creature that is not native to that ecosystem. This habitat is not their natural living place. They were brought here by some external event. For example, they were shipped here. Exotic frogs are shipped for food, science, sale, etc. Then two things can happen. One, the person lets the frog go, and two, the exotic frog escapes its captor. The exotic frog will compete for food and habitat. Some exotic frogs can have chytrid. Chytrid is a fungus that can kill frogs. A frog's skin is permeable, which means things can go in it, like water, oxygen, chemicals, and of course, chytrid. The exotic frog may already have chytrid on them. This fungus can then be transmitted from the exotic species to the native frog species, causing death in the native species. Airplanes drop baby fish into lakes and ponds. That way, people can fish there. When the fish grow, they can eat the frogs already living there. Introducing exotic species has some negative effects. If the native frog's population decreases, so will the population of the frog's native predators. Take the stork as an example. Let's say its only food source is a frog that is disappearing. With no frogs to eat, the stork will die, and so will its predators unless they find another food source. So how are exotic species introduced? Dropping fish from airplanes into lakes. Shipping exotic frogs. Letting an exotic frog escape into the wild. When you don't want your pet frog and it is an exotic species, just give it to the pet store. That way, the native frog's population won't decrease. Here are some fun facts. Most people think that the bullfrog is native to the US, but it's actually not. Bullfrogs are the cause of extinction of 100 species of frogs. The Sierra Nevada yellow-legged frog has disappeared from 92% of its habitat.